All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've been very excited to do this video. I am going to be trying, this is part one of Bird Dog Whiskey. We also got these in Tennessee at Black Bear Liquor, same place I got the last airplane bottle video for y'all. So, I got Bird Dog Peach. I got Ruby Red Grapefruit. I got strawberry, and I got black cherry. So this is our lineup. We're going to see which one's the best and which one's the worst. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with Bird Dog Strawberry. This is, all of these are 80 proof, 40% alcohol. Ooh, it smells like vanilla cream and strawberries, so let's take a taste. Ooh. It's got the whiskey bite to it, but you can taste strawberries in that. I'm telling you, dude. That's good. That's really good. All right. Now, second one. We're going to be doing Bird Dog Peach. So, I'm kind of excited to try this one because I do like good peach flavored stuff. I'm a big strawberry fan. Oh, that smells like a fresh Georgia peach, I'm telling you. Ooh, that one is smooth, ladies and gentlemen. That one's real smooth. That's good. That's really good. So I figure since I'm doing whiskey, I'm going to wash it down with cola. Telling you, this Bird Dog is pretty good. Alright guys, so now that I have cleansed my palate, we are going to do the black cherry. Smells like cherries. Ooh. That one so far has the biggest bite out of all of them. That one's more whiskey. Wow. Whew. That one needs a little bit of a chaser. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and last but not least, for part one of the Bird Dog Whiskey airplane bottle try, is Ruby Red Grapefruit. Alright, Ruby Red Grapefruit. Ooh, it smells really good. There's like no whiskey taste, a little whiskey burn, but overly grapefruit. No. No. Holy cow. That one's pretty awful. I can already tell you which one's going to be bottom of the list. I'm sure you can figure that out. Gotta eat a muffin just to get the damn taste out of my mouth. I'm telling you, these muffins, these muffins is a real cheers. Muffins. Blueberry, honey, and chocolate chip. Can't beat that. Alright guys, so now we're gonna rank these in order of best to worst. So I tried a sip of each of them. Don't worry, like normal, every single one of these are gonna get drank. Whether they're good or not, it's the alcoholic way. So we are gonna start off with the one that y'all know the best. The worst one, Ruby Red Grapefruit. Too much grapefruit. Too fucking, I want to say it's bitter, but it's bitter. And like not in a good way bitter or sweet. It's sweet and bitter in a bad way. Bad way! So Ruby Red Grapefruit, it's on the shit list. Next on the shit list, Black Cherry. It wasn't bad, but I like the other two a hell of a lot better than it. It had more of a whiskey taste than it did a black cherry taste. It was good. I would cook with this. I'd probably do, I don't know, maybe some chicken with this. Speaking of cooking with whiskey, y'all need to make sure to check out our up-and-coming season, which is season 2 of Tables and Tailgates, premiering soon. Stay tuned for that. We'll have an announcement and everything, and episode 1, which is before we even moved into this house. That's right. We've been pre-filming Tables and Tailgates season 2. So, stay tuned. But this one, second to last for sure. Okay, now these last two, there's strawberry and peach. Which one do y'all think is going to be the number 1? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hit pause right now and comment down below. Strawberry or peach. And now we're going to do the drum roll. Alright guys, strawberry or peach. You've paused the video. You've commented, hopefully. And it is peach flavored is number 1. Make sure you guys go out and try this whiskey, guys. Bird Dog whiskey. There you go. It's probably all fucked because, you know, I'm filming on a cell phone. Because I'm broke. You know, the norm. Make sure you guys go check out Bird Dog Whiskey. This video was not sponsored by them. I did it as a solely purpose of reviewing them with an unbiased opinion. So, strawberry was my favorite out of this batch. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2. And we have a part 3 to this exact video coming, where we're going to compare all of them from part 1 and 2. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to get me on TikTok, Smokey Mower. Make sure to get me on Instagram, Smokey Mower. Make sure to like, subscribe, share my shit. Get us out there. Let's do some more badass videos, guys. Peace.